day in the life of a police officer. You get the traffic call, routine, right? Turns into a fatality. If we really want to drill down, the victim dies in your arms. Later that day, you realize you have to go do the death notification. Now, both of these experiences, highly emotional, because you're a human being. Although we've not trained you to deal with your emotions, we still like you to go home, have a normal life, and raise a normal family. You know as well as I do, too much emotion, you may break down, you weep. Not enough emotion, and you are an insensitive ass. My name is Parrish, and I'll be in town for a one-day workshop where I can teach you the tools on how to successfully navigate this. The same tools you're using to be a best in cop, personal best, are the same tools you use when you go home for the officer survival skills. Daily development of your mental and emotional skill sets. For example, chatter. I mean, we all know chatter, right? This is one of my training modules. Chatter is simply that voice in your head that never shuts up. It's the one that keeps you up at night, all right? It's the same one you use to be a best in cop during the fatality. Same voice that you use, the same chatter that you used when you did the death notification. That tool, those skills are what I teach when it comes to chatter. There's 5 things you do with chatter. I mentioned them in my book. We'll have them during that day. This is actually a workshop on the book. And again, how to regulate the chatter. That's what it's all about. When you're your personal best, that's what you're doing. You're regulating the chatter. I'm going to teach you with a money-back guarantee the tools you use to be your personal best in your career and yet create a healthy, balanced lifestyle.